Welcome back to Rangotool's YouTube channel. And in this next video, Rangotool will guide you on how to use the MKT software. Rangotool will show you how to log into the X accounts that you've already added to the software. Okay, in the previous two parts, you and Rangotool have done a task together. That was when we added accounts into this X software. And we've already added proxies for those accounts. So now, how can you log into those X accounts next? Let me give you a brief guide now. There are two ways to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the X software. Then select the exact X accounts you want. That's it. This method is usually used when you're testing with a small number of accounts first. Just a small number of X accounts. So you can do it this way to check it out. And this method is often used when you want to check those accounts. You can click on an X account, then right-click and select Login X. With this method, the software will automatically open a browser for you. And in this browser, it will automatically log into your Twitter account. As you can see here, because it has the cookie, it will log in right away. You should also use accounts that have cookies. That way, it will be better for your account when you log in. All right, is that clear for you? Here, you've logged in successfully, and we can use this browser environment just like normal. See, do you notice these accounts? Just like normal, okay? All right, so this is the first method. Have you got it yet? To keep it simple, you just need to select that account, right-click, and choose the account you want. That's it, you're done. That's the first method. Now let's move on to the second method. The second method allows you to use and manage a large number of accounts. For example, if you're using 500 or 1,000 accounts and you don't know which ones you've logged into, this is the method you'll use. Look at the left corner of the screen. There will be a section called Interactive Function. Got it, everyone? You'll need to click on this section. Then we click on this part. Once you've entered this section, look over here. The interface will look like this. The part that Rangotool is highlighting in red is where your X accounts are displayed. The section that Rangotool highlights in red on the right side is where you add scripts to log in to your X accounts. Now to log in automatically, you simply add a script. Let's look at a script. You can name it, for example, if you add a new one, you can call it login X pack pout like this, okay? Then it's simple. You just set it to interact in a personal way. For example, it reads notifications. You scroll through the news feed on Twitter. You can set it to scroll for 10 to 20 seconds. That's enough. You just need to keep it that simple. We have a total of 2 actions, 2 steps combined, and we set a delay of 5 to 10 seconds. Then you press the save button, save it twice. It will show the message update scarier to successful. That means it's done. You can close this interface. After you close it, then here you will select the script called Login X Account. And we will check the box for Get Account Information. All right, got it? Okay. And the next step is you need to choose what allows us to log in automatically. So pay attention to the part where you select the category. We will choose the category that we want to log into. Here, Jiang Ngochton will select the category Lam Art X. And you will select all 5 of these accounts. Then we will check in the settings section so you can pay attention to this setting. All right, make sure to click on it and it will display here for you. You'll notice that depending on the software and your computer, it will suggest the number of threads you can open simultaneously. That is the number of Twitter accounts you can log into at the same time. But you need to have the necessary proxies to do this, okay? Then you can choose here, maybe enter 5 or 10. It's up to you. After you've made your selection, all you need to do is click the start button right here. And you will watch the software in action. It will automatically open those windows for you. It will open 5 of them. After that, it will automatically log into your Twitter accounts. There you go. So that automatically. If you have more like 500 accounts or 1,000 accounts, you just need to leave that computer running. The software will automatically log into all your accounts. Then it will automatically browse the feed, log out, and after collecting the data, it will log out. So this is the initial way for you to submit information. And this interface is also the one you will use to gather and upload your Twitter accounts. But in this video, Jiang Ngoitu is guiding you on how to initially submit your Twitter accounts into the software. And you have to use the exact type of account that Jiang Ngoitu shared with you so that you can use it effectively. If you search for it yourself or get those things on your own, it won't be effective and it won't be compatible with the software. It won't bring you any results at all. It will just waste your time and your resources. All right, that's the end of this video. And please note that Jiang Ngoitu offers a trial so you can use it effectively before making your decision. So please contact Jiang Ngoitu via Telegram and WhatsApp as shown on the screen. Jiang Ngoitu will provide you with detailed consultation. Thank you for listening and see you in the next videos on Rangotool's YouTube channel.